Hi guys! Good morning! Ngayon mag-yard work ako dahil kailangan. Otherwise, kung hindi ako mag-yard work, baka magkaroon ng complaint at we're gonna be in big trouble again. Hindi tutulong ang asawa ko sa akin dahil ayaw niya ng camera. Yes?
What are you talking to?
I'm talking to my friend. Okay?
I don't see anybody.
Oh, okay. You don't have to. Go fly, Noah. So, please, samahan niyo ako. So, naka-long sleeve ako dahil malamok sa labas at ayoko ma-poison ivy. At naka-leggings ako dahil mahirap na baka ma-poison ivy din ang hita ko at magkaroon ng kadagdagang koleksyon. So, anyway, let's go guys. Yan, weeds to. See that? Dumadami yan sila. See? Napakaantay din tingnan ng halaman pag maraming weeds. Dito marami na talaga. Okay guys. Alam nyo guys kung anong kinaganda ngayon? Makulimlim at hindi gaanong mainit. Let's go!
Be sure to wear gloves, long sleeve, and pants before you start to protect yourself from the sun and poison ivy. A long time ago, I had no idea how it happened, but I got poison ivy on half of my face. It looked horrible, namaga, mainit sa balat at ang kati-kati. Mas grabe pa sa buong araw. So guys, be aware of poison ivy. And don't forget to wear your sunglasses too. Protect your eyes from the sun. I prefer to wear my hat myself.
Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung poison ivy. See that? I think that's a poison ivy. Pag nakadikit yan sa balat mo, oh my god, mangangati ka. It's like worse than bungang araw. Oh, good thing na nakita ko yan. Okay, let's go back.
So guys, right now, nag-decide ang asawa ko na gusto niyang tumulong sa akin. But, sabi niya sa akin, wag ko daw siyang kakausapin sa harap ng camera or pasasagutin sa mga tanong ko. Well, let's see!
Good morning! Hello, neighbor! Oh, what a cute dog! Hi, puppy! It's kind of nice today, right? Even though it's cloudy. Yep, I like it. No, fine. I'm wearing this because there's a lot of mosquitoes. They're eating me. Yep. Oh, I'm taking video now. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, look at this. Pumunta ako sa likod ng bushes dahil kailang bunutin ko yung mga weeds. Otherwise, same story after a couple weeks or couple months, right?
Sabi ng asawa ko poison ivy daw ito, but it's not. Tawag dito is white ash. So white ash.
Originally, yarding was my hubby's routine job around summer. Sometimes I like to help him because yarding is not really fun to do, especially if you're tired from your full-time job. Plus, poison ivy keeps sprouting everywhere. No matter what you do around summer to get rid of them, we have 2 children playing in the yard, so we want them to be as safe as possible. Yep. Guys, don't forget to drink water while you are working outside, especially if you are exposed to the sun. You know, I'm 50 years old, so I definitely need a lot of water.
Pinagputol-putol namin ng maliit para may pasok ng madali sa paper bag. Kaya naman nilalagyan sa paper bag para pick upin ng yard waste recycling. Dahil kung hindi mo ilalagay sa paper bag, hindi yan pipick upin.
Good job, Hot. You're good. You're a vlogger.
So we need to cut it in pieces and put in paper bag at para pick upin or dalhin sa recycling or pick upin ng recycling truck. Bukas ang pick up nito.
Han, alam bitin ako.
Jesus.
I'm 50
Ano ka ba?
years old.
What the? Are you a monkey?
No. That's it for now. At least nalinis ang front yard namin. Hindi masama. At nagliligpit ng asawa ko. Ang puno namin medyo nabawasan ng sanga, which is good. Okay, Han, say bye. I know, alam kong ayaw mo nagsasalita. So just say bye. Okay. Mainit na rin kasi, maaraw na. Look at me. Basang-basa na yung kilikili ko.